Hello guys, I wanted to show you a tricks that my dog can do. So when there's treats around, he's doing that because he is, I don't know if he's faking it still or what, but he hurt his leg over a week ago and he actually walks on it fine, and I think it's because he got babied when he got hurt, so he wants to be babied even more, don't you? You see that little guilt in his eye? He's like, oh no, she's coming on to me. She's coming on to me. 1 minute. Alright, so now I'm going to show you tricks that my dog can do. Now I do have TREATS, but I'm not going to show them that because they get overly excited like they just did, so Sophie's like tired, but and they don't do tricks. Don't touch my white new shirt, Kip. Okay, you ready? Let's see if he will do it for me. But he was laying down. He obviously sits, but he knows how to. So he was laying down when I told him on command, like now. And then when I told him to roll over, he would roll over. Of course, he will roll over. He wants his belly itched. Flag is going. And then you had the widow smile. Widow smile. So yeah. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to tell him to get up. Get up, Kip. Get up for a minute. Kip, get up. Get up. Get up. Come on, Kip, get up. Come on, bud. Come on. Come on. Okay, he doesn't want to. Sophie doesn't really know commands, so that's why I wasn't really going to do her. She doesn't know how to sit. She kind of knows how to give high five if she's on her back, but yeah. Sit. Oh wow, of course. She never sits. Sit. Can you sit for me? She only sits because she has to itch, but don't speak. Don't speak. Alright, so let's do it. Okay, you ready? Get up! When he gets really excited, sometimes he starts speaking. He's so funny. But, Sophie, I'll give you a treat if you stop itching. No. Alright, get up, Kip. Get up! Up! Okay. Sit. Lay down. Good boy. Roll over. Let me back up a little. Lay down. Lay down. He's so cute. Okay. Roll over. Roll over. Good boy. I didn't do it fully bad. Whoop. And then I'm going to turn to Sophie. Oh, he knows how to speak. Can you speak for me, Kip? Can you speak for me real quick? Speak for me. Speak. Speak. Can you speak for a treat? She knows how to speak. She actually knows that. Speak. Speak. What she'll do it. Speak. Are you gonna speak? Yep. Are you going to speak? He will. Did you just pull that out? Will you speak? Speak! He's getting ready to speak! Good job! Good girl and good boy! So like, I want one. They have to get more. These were long treats, but I just let them out. Oops, I can't get it on with one hand. Was that good? Oh, and they know how to pick out their own treats, and I can get this undone real quick. Better than oh, I just hit it on accident. Okay. And Sophie just picks out the biggest treat, and I knew they were gonna pick that one. And Kip can picks his own too, which is super cute, and it's actually rewarding to them because not only do they like it and get rewarded to eat or to get a treat because they did something good, but they get to pick out their own treat of what they want. So what I might do, since I'm talking to you guys, because this is a really good idea, and if you guys want to know their names, I can tell you that's Sophie, Ruru, well, just Sophie, but we call her Ruru. That's Kip, and he's a beagle, and she's a teacup chihuahua, or toy chihuahua. And this is actually Kip's. He actually, no joke, picked this out himself. I got this at the dollar store if you're wondering where to get one for cheap or whatever, and you just want one. The dollar store has these, and they're actually really good quality, and they're really cute, and some of them have sayings on it. Freckles the pig actually has one of these. This is something about four-legged, but their names are on here because they did have their own separate treats, just so everyone knows who's whose. But Kip stayed in here because, again, they had their own treats, and Sophie stayed out there because she gets rewarded every time she goes to the potty on the mat. But this is Kip's, and I brought it out to the thing just because there's no more treats in there, and I didn't want it in my room. So yeah, and yeah, so Kip, literally, I was like, do you want the black one or the red one? There's a black one just like this, and then there's this red one. They both got them for Christmas. So Kip wanted this red. Is this red? Is this your treat jar? Yeah, he's messed up right now. I don't know why. But, no. But I think it is rewarding, and I think they actually really like it because they get to pick out their own treat and see. And I think they actually really like it more. Instead of just, I'm going to do it one more time for you, because they're just looking at me while I'm talking. But I think they actually really like it. We're going to Walmart tomorrow, so I'm going to probably get different treats and put it in a jar. See how excited they get? And like, they get pretty excited about me giving them a treat too. Sophie actually gets more excited about me giving her a treat. I think because they have to wait for it. So, but what I'm going to do, since there's only 2 more treats in here, is wait, because that can be split up for Sophie when she does a good job on the potty. And then I'm going to get different treats tomorrow. Probably like a couple of bags. And I can always make the treats. I don't always have to buy them, but it's just easier and more. And I get like, I can get a whole bunch of different kinds. So I think that's what I might do. Because there might be a new family member tomorrow. Super exciting. But, yeah, instead of having them stare at me, swing them around, pretend there's like none in here. But you know what I mean? Like, I think it's just more rewarding for them to pick out their treat. And I think I'm going to get more treats because it's starting to be more rewarding when they can pick different kinds of treats out of the jar instead of just picking one treat that's not that interesting. I'm gonna put that back up here. So did you guys like that? Did you like it? Oh yeah, and then Kip, he's actually a saliva freak, and I don't know if anybody else's beagle does this, but he gets this saliva on the side of his mouth. It's usually on this side, and it's long, and it has food in it. Well, right now, that's what he's trying to do. He's trying to eat it. Yep, he actually, like plays, tries to get it for a couple of minutes, and he usually does get it. But there's usually food in it. And then Sophie, she doesn't drill at all. She's little mini chihuahua, You wanna go lay down? Go lay down. He's like, do I go? Do I want to go lay down? Do you want to lay down? Go get in bed. Go get in bed, Kip. No, you don't want to? Okay. Well, we're going to take a nap. Look at her. She's so cute. She looks like a little baby. You happy, dog? You a happy dog? Well, I think I'm going to end this video right here because it's already been 10 minutes. But if you guys liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below. Make sure you subscribe on what your dogs can do as tricks. And will you be rewarding them with a treat? And will you let them pick out their own treats? I really like it. It's so cute when they pick out their own treats because I really think they like it the best. So I think I'm really going to get different kinds of treats. But I have to save some money for next weekend. Because I am actually going to be doing something for myself. So, say bye. Bye guys, and thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys like the video of me on command. Let me come closer to my mom real quick. So the camera can be zoomed in. But no, I really like showing you my commands and stuff. So I really hope that you guys like this video and teach your dog or show us if your dog can be command. Unfortunately, I kind of know how to shake, but I will not show on command. I have to be in a very, very good mood. But hopefully one time my mama can catch that when I'm in a good mood. A really good mood. Like, I'm in a good mood now, but I really only do it when I'm in like a super hyper kind of mood, you know what I mean? So, thanks for watching. I'll pass it over to my aunt. I think she's, yeah, my aunt. Hello guys. Sorry, I'm very itchy. I have dry skin during the winter times. Yes, my mom has tried everything for me, but just isn't working out right now. But right now I'm gonna butt scoop, but that's about it. I'm gonna end this video right now. I hope you guys like me not doing commands, but showing that I can speak, so that is one command that I can do. Bye guys. Bye.